Today we are going to show us how to make shawarma. We are making chicken and fish shawarma. Right here we have our onion, we have our mayonnaise. These are mayonnaise. We are going to teach us how to make fish and chicken shawarma. Here we have our ketchup. We have Maggi cubes. You can use any type of Maggi cubes you want. We have our shawarma wrap. Then this is the carrot. Make sure you wash it. We have ginger and garlic blended together. Right here we have our blended dry pepper. This is our hot dog. This is our chicken breast. We have both the breast and the thighs. These are the ingredients we are going to make our shawarma. We are adding fish and chicken together in making the shawarma. So right here I'm adding ginger and garlic, blended ginger and garlic to the chicken. Then I will stir together. I will stir it to make our chicken and fish shawarma. For those that doesn't like chicken, you can also make fish. I'm going to add curry. I'm adding curry to the chicken. In my last video, I did beef and chicken. So right here, I'm going to add dry pepper to make it spicy. It's optional. If you don't want to add pepper, that would be nice. If you want to add pepper, you can do that. It's optional. But I like eating spicy food, you know. I like eating spicy food. So that's why I'm adding pepper. You see, I've added about 2 tablespoons of pepper to the chicken to make it spicy. So we are going to make a lovely, I'm adding onion. I added curry, added ginger, garlic. I added dry pepper. And right now, I've added onion. And this is the fish, Titus fish. Some call it cumbia. I've added Maggi cube. Now I'm adding onion to the fish. You know I said we are making fish and chicken shawarma. Right now I've added curry. To give it a nice aroma. So we are doing, don't forget, like I said, we are doing our fish and chicken shawarma. I'm going to stir together. I'm stirring it together. Chicken and fish shawarma. I'm going to cover it. Right here, I'm sorry I didn't show us earlier. Okay, the chicken was ready. So I shredded instead of frying. Some people like frying it. But me, because of fat, I prefer putting it in an oven or microwave it. So right here, this is the hot dog. We are going to fry the hot dog. I like microwaving the chicken. So that was the reason why I put the chicken in the microwave instead of frying. At least let's reduce the fry. So this is the chicken I've put in the microwave for it to. Okay, right here, this is our cabbage. You have to cut the cabbage, shred it with your knife. This is the cabbage. And we have washed the carrot thoroughly. Scrape the back. And we are using our grater to grate the carrots. Some like cutting, but me, I prefer grating it so that it will be smooth. So we are grating it. You can use your grater. You can use knife, whatever you want to use. And right here, I'm going to put my mayonnaise in the plate. Put mayonnaise, then I will now add the cabbage and the carrots that I've just finished cutting. So I'm going to add the mayonnaise and the carrot. Right here, I'm adding my ketchup. I'll mix the ketchup and mayonnaise together. Mix it thoroughly. The ketchup and the mayonnaise. You mix together. So you mix them, put aside. Then this is our cabbage and carrot. Cabbage and carrot. We'll now mix together. After mixing it together, we'll now add our mayonnaise and ketchup that was mixed together. We'll add it into the cabbage and the carrot. We'll now mix together also. So this is it. Okay, when you finish mixing, take the mixture of the ketchup and mayonnaise, put in the shawarma wrap. I'm adding more ketchup and mayonnaise. For me, I don't like too much of it. I just take little, but for my children, I had to add because they love it this way. But for me, I don't. I just put very small ketchup and mayonnaise. Sometimes I don't even put at all. So this is it. When you are done with that, you will now put your carrot and cabbage, your mixture. You put it there in one side. Yes, you do it this way. If you like, for those of you that likes plenty of vegetables, you add more. Vegetable is very good for our health, so you add more. So right here, I'm adding the chicken that was microwaved. I'm adding it. I'll add both the fish. You know what I did? After boiling the fish, I shredded it, then put in the microwave. Then I've added it, and I've added hot dog. See how I'm wrapping it? You see it? You wrap it. So I'm doing another one. Our shawarma. To make your shawarma at home is easy. And in the one you make at home, you can decide the quantity of ingredients that you want to use. You want to add more chicken, more fish, beef, vegetables. This is it. Some people also add egg to their shawarma. If you want, you can add egg. If you want. So I'm going to wrap this also. If you know how to wrap it, It will not pour. It's very easy. You see? This is it. It will not pour. See it? This is our shawarma. It's ready. My children will be so excited when they come from school. This is our delicious shawarma. Yummy. Please please, I'm begging you. Please make a comment. Tell me, what is it I didn't do well? I'm ready to learn. Make a comment. Subscribe to my channel. Please. It will not take you anything to subscribe. Subscribe so that you get to know, to view my next video. Hi. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Thank you so much. The reason why I'm heating it with the frying pan is to seal it so that it will not pour, you see, so that it will not open. That's the reason why it's sealed together. So right here we have our delicious shawarma. You see, we are heating it so that it will seal. There'll be no room for it to pour. It will seal. See, it's sealed. That's the reason for heating it. It can seal together and ready for consumption. This is our lovely shawarma. I hope you love it. Please view it and comment. Tell me what I've done that is wrong and what you like. This is the shawarma. Please